Example 5, a little, I guess, a real-world application here, dealing with geometric sequences. So if we read this, it says, clicking the Zoom Out button on a mapping website doubles the side length of the square map. After how many clicks on the Zoom Out button is the side length of the map 640 miles? So if you look at this table, if we click one time, then the side length of the map is 5 miles. The second time we click, well, the map side length will be 10 miles. The third time, it will be 20. All right? Now, if you look at these map side lengths, we notice that every time I click to zoom out, it gets multiplied by 2. That's a geometric sequence. So the map sides are all increasing by a common ratio of 2. So the question is, as this continues, when will the side length be 640? Well, because I know that this is a geometric sequence, I can use the formula of the form a sub n, any term, is found by just taking the first term and multiplying by the ratio to the n minus 1 power. So one way I can do this is to say, well, I know that this term I want to figure out is 640. And since the first term is 5, I can keep multiplying by 2, the common ratio. I just have to figure out how many times. Okay? So one thing you could do would be to take your calculator and kind of guess and check some numbers in there. So let's do that. 5 times 2 to what power will give me 640. So let's say you guess 5. So 5 times 2 to the 5th power. Oops, gotta hit my caret first, don't I? There we go, to the 5th power. All right, let's see what that gives me. It gives me 160. That's not quite good enough. Well, let's try one more. If I go up, and you can do this with your calculator also, I can paste that equation in and change it to, let's see if 6 does it. Nope, 320. Let's try to paste it one more time, if necessary. Let's try 7. Aha, so if it's a 7th power, I get 640. Now, you need to interpret that correctly, okay? So, if I take 5 times 2 to the 7th power, that gives me 640. But remember, the 7 isn't how many terms there are. It's 1 less than the number of terms. So if n minus 1 is our 7, adding 1, I'll get 8. Now the other way you can do this is, without a formula, you can say, okay, well, my sequence started with 5, hit enter, and then I kept multiplying by 2. There's my second term. Now just keep hitting enter. Third term, move your face. Fourth term, fifth term, 6th click, 7th click, 8 clicks, and I'm at 640. So you see we get the same answer. So our answer is, it will take us 8 clicks to get a side length of 640 miles. And that's it for that one. We're getting close to being done here. One more example in section 6.5.